Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back at Rite Aid, and I decided to split my Walgreens and Rite Aid videos up just because I think it would be like a 40-minute video. So I can't believe we're gifted this upon us at Rite Aid. So I did 2 transactions yesterday and I did a video there, and it was a massive moneymaker. Huge. It was like $49.27, and then I think I missed like 50 cents. So I think it was right at $50. Like, I've never had a $50 moneymaker. Never, ever. And I think half of that is going to be actual cash and not just bonus cash. So that makes it even better in my eyes. But anyways, we are here and we are going to go for another round because we have bonus cash challenges to complete. We have the triple, or no, not triple, 10 times the points that you get back. So if you get 700 points from your transaction, and that's 700 points, or the points is configured of the total of your product before coupons. So if you get $71 worth of product before your coupons, you would get 710 points back times 10. Times 10. Plus your regular points for that day as well. So it's going to be lit. Oh my gosh. So anyways, we're going to go in there. We're going to do a couple of transactions. Now, another thing, I showed you yesterday a 5 off of 25 coupon that wasn't in the email. It did not scan for me, but I got another one. It's the same coupon, but the barcode is better and it's scanned perfectly for me today. So I will put that up here. And then there are also, in that previous video, there's all the barcodes that you need to do multiple transactions per account, because you can do 4 transactions, or you can do the spend 50, get 10 4 times per account, and there's 4 barcodes, so it's once per barcode. Did that make sense? So you get 4 different barcodes. You can do each one of those one time, and that's all you can do on your account. Then you have to switch accounts. So anyways, that's a lot of information. And I'm loving, before we go in there, I'm loving the people that are leaving comments saying that they are couponing at Rite Aid, that more people are couponing at Rite Aid. So I love it. I absolutely love those comments. So if you never have couponed at Rite Aid, I even had someone tell me yesterday, you can even do online couponing and have it shipped to you. So even if you don't have a Rite Aid, you can take advantage of online deals. So anyways, let's go inside, guys, and see what we can do. So the first deal we're going to do is on something called Hydralyte, and it has been going on for quite a while. It's a monthly deal that I haven't done, but certain Hydralytes are $9, and when you buy one, you get back $8 in bonus cash, and they are a limit of 4 because they are a monthly deal. Now, this monthly deal does end on the 3rd. So these would be $1 for each one. It's a really good way to roll some bonus cash if your store has any. So next we're going to go over to the clearance section. I'm looking for Sally Hansen nail polish. So certain ones, this pale yellow one that I found here called Sun Catcher, it is $2.49. It is part of the promotion where you buy 2, you get 5. You buy an additional one, you get 5 more. So the 3 of them will equal out to $7.47, and then you will get back $10 in bonus cash, making them free and a $2.53 moneymaker. So it's like the same as the CoverGirl, but you don't need coupons for this. So if you can find them in your clearance section, definitely grab them. So next we're going to do the P&G promotion. This is a limit of 2. In yesterday's video, I did it 1 time, so we're going to do it again, and we're going to grab the Big Downy beads. They're priced at $12.99. So the deal is spend 30, get 10, and I need to spend like $27 to hit my bonus cash challenge, and the 2 of these will be $25.98. So I grabbed a 3rd one. So the 3 of them will cost $38.97. I have 2 printable coupons that I'm going to use for $3 off, plus a $3 load to card coupon that I will use. That'll make my total $29.97. I'll get back $10 in bonus cash for the P&G deal, plus I will get back $7 for my bonus cash challenge, When I spend $27 in Downy products, I will get back $7, making all three of them just $12.97, and that's like buying one and getting two free. So I'm very, very happy with that. Plus we have our boosters of the spend 50, get back 10. And then I realized that I need to put my Sally Hansen in a different transaction. So we're going to take that out of the cart and we're going to put it in the other transaction on my other account. And we're going to grab something different. So I'm going to grab the Method Cleaner. The Method Cleaner is a monthly deal, and they are buy two, get back $4 in bonus cash. This monthly deal also ends on the 3rd of June. So I was going to get these two, and then I decided to get both wood cleaners. They are priced at $6.99 and $7.49. So the total for both of them is $14.48. We'll get back $4 in bonus cash, making it $10.48 for both of them. So this is everything that I'm grabbing in my first transaction. It will total me $71.45, and we are going to be using the $5 off $25 coupon that we got in our email. That is multiple use, and then this 5 off of 25 coupon as well. So now we're going to move on to the next transaction. I'll tell you the math for this transaction in the car. So we're doing the P&G deal again. This is on a separate account, and I did the gain on this card yesterday. This time we're focusing on Tide because I have a huge bonus cash challenge. So we're going to grab 2 of the Tide pods at $12.99, and then we're going to buy 1 of the Tide liquids, also priced at $12.99. If you didn't know, the P&G deal is spend 30, get back $10 in bonus cash. So the 3 of these will equal out to $38.97 again. We are going to be using a $3 printable coupon for the Tide Pods, a $3 digital for the Tide Pods, and a $3 digital for the Tide Liquid. So that'll make our total $29.97. We'll get back $10 in bonus cash. But then we're going to also get back $17 in bonus cash because I've spent $65 worth of Tide now, making all 3 of them just $2.97, and that's incredible. So we're going to grab another one of the Hydralytes. This is the only one they had left. I thought I would throw it in the transaction. I think it's a great deal, so we're going to add that on there. And then we're going to do the Colgate. I did the Colgate yesterday. They're $3.99 on sale. Buy 2, get back $7 in bonus cash. The 2 of them will equal out to $7.98. I have a $2 load to card coupon on this account that I'm going to use. And then I am going to pay $5.98, get back $7 in bonus cash. I'm going to submit to the coupons.com app, and I'm going to get back another $2, making these free and a $3.02 moneymaker. Now I thought I filmed the last bit of my video in the store. I guess I didn't. I must have been really excited to check out. So with the Colgate, the Tide, the Hydralyte, and the Sally Hansen, that was my second transaction. So I'll insert a picture here, a little visual, so you can see what I'm working with here. Everything equals out to $63.42, and we are going to use those 5 off 25 coupons again, plus the digitals and the paper coupons that we have as well. I will go over the breakdown of the transaction in the car and show you how many points I got back and all that jazz. So let's go out to the car and see how everything went. Alright guys, so we're back in from Rite Aid, which I just filmed this right after the intro. But like I said in the intro, that 5 off 25 coupon, I'll put it again up right here. That one scanned totally fine. The first one that I put up in yesterday's video, it was a good coupon, but I think just because how the barcode was printed, even with you know, making it bigger on your phone with your fingers, I don't think it, I just think there was something wrong there, like it was too fuzzy or something. So we did 2 transactions, and I couldn't be happier. I really couldn't be happier because I got some great things. I loaded up on laundry, and we've got 2 transactions. So we'll go with the first transaction. So with that one, the Sally Hansen did not ring up, but the cashier, who's been here a million years, she knew that a bunch of Sally Hansen was on clearance, and she scanned it with her handheld, and it did ring up the clearance price on her handheld. So she did price modify each one of those. I will show you that right here. Price modified each one of those down by $7.50. Hold on a second. There's something on my screen here that's bugging me. Okay. So I got those 3 Sally Hansen's, I got the 3 Tides, I got the Colgate, and then I got one of the Hydralytes. It was the only one left. There was only 3 left in my store. So anyways, I got the Hydralyte. So with this transaction, I had the $3 load to card coupon for my Tide. I had a $3 paper coupon for the Tide Pods. I had a $3 load to card coupon for the Tide Liquid. And then I had the $5 off of 25 coupons. She was like, didn't you just use one? I said, yes, but if you spend over $50, you can use both of them. And she scanned them. And so I got both of those off of there. So then my total was $42.42. Now I had like $46 in bonus cash on this account. So I paid nothing out of my pocket. Nothing out of my pocket. And I got back $45. $45 right here. I'll put it up on the screen right here. I don't know if you guys want like it up on the screen like that where I take a screenshot from my app or not. But anyways, and so I got back the $7 for the Colgate. I got back the $8 for the Hydralyte. I got back the $10 for the barcode, which was the email barcode. I got back, let me see here. I got back $10 for the Procter & Gamble, and then I got back $10 for that Sally Hansen. Now, I'm just going to show you the bottom of the receipt here again. So I'm going to show you the bottom of my receipt again. It says the points earned was 634 points. That's just regular points I would earn all the time. And then there's bonus points of 5,710 points, making my point total today 7,635 points. Now that equals out to $15.27. So what I can do is, it should be up on my account, and I can convert that over to bonus cash. I'll also get back $17 in a bonus cash challenge for reaching $65 worth of Tide. That is huge, absolutely huge bonus cash challenge back. So I'll get that $17 back, and then I will submit my receipt to the coupons.com app for the other $2 for the Colgate. So that's going to make that total for that transaction free, and a $36, I'm backing up because I'm going to get loud, $36.85 moneymaker, guys. Unreal. So my total was like $42.42, and all the rewards that I got back equaled out to $79.27, guys. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! Donna Jean, can I get a woo? Yes, I need a little sound bite of Donna Jean and her whoop. So for the next transaction, there was just a slight issue, and that was on me. So I had the Method cleaners, I had the Downy Unstoppables, and then I had the Hydralytes. So I had a $3 load to card coupon come off, I had a $3 printable come off, and those are for the Downy. And my other $3 printable did not work because I didn't realize the sizing differences. So anyways, I didn't get that extra $3 there or that $3 there. And then I had the 2 $5 coupons again. So that brought my total down to $55.45. I got back $40 in bonus cash. I almost said Walgreens cash. Now for the points earned, I earned 715 points. And then my bonus points I got back were 6,430 points. So altogether, I got back today 8,143 points. So that equals out to $16.29 that will be converted into bonus cash. Then for the bonus cash that I got back $8 for each one of the Hydralytes. I got back $4 for the Method. I got back $10 for the booster of the spend 50 get 10, and then I got back $10 for the Procter & Gamble. I'll also get back $7 in bonus cash for the Downy. So that's going to make that transaction free and a $7.84 money maker, which is still amazing. It's still absolutely amazing. And I'm so amazed that I need a drink of my strawberry acai drink here. And it's dripping all over me. But anyways. So what does my total equal out to today? Well, everything was free and a $44.69 moneymaker. That is insanity. Beyond belief insanity. I'm just so excited. It makes me so excited. I wish I had more accounts and more bonus cash to keep just rolling it and just rolling on down the river with bonus cash. I just can't believe it. Now, the other things that I got today, I got back on my first transaction, I got back a 9 off of 45 coupon that I can use. And then on the second transaction, I got an $11 off of 55 coupon. I'm saving these until we have boosters again, which is going to be like 2 weeks. We're going to see about what the deals are and maybe throw in a couple of deals on top of a Walgreens video if there isn't enough to do a standalone video. I got back an extra $31.56 in points for the 10 times the points deal that's going on right now. That is just amazing that they're doing this. And I don't know if they think that the couponers are going to take advantage of it, but it's still amazing. So that is everything I have for you today, guys, for Rite Aid. Don't forget to check out my Walgreens video. I have a CVS video, all kinds of stuff on my channel. So definitely check those out as well. And I want to thank you guys all for your support. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.